Hey, the car was just running fine. It's a 92 Pontiac Le Mans. It's got 198,000 miles on it, but that doesn't really matter. Got it home, won't start. The starter clicks. So here's a little demo of what it sounds like out there. That's all it does. It just wants to click. I tried hooking it up to a battery charger. Maybe the battery was low. Starter's in a really bad spot, so it's hard to try to beat on it. What does this mean? Is it the battery? Do you have to beat on it? Or do you have to just replace the starter? Any help would be awesome. Thanks.